All right, today we're going to look at the different types of forensic evidence, especially when used um, helping law enforcement and just a role in criminal investigations in general. My intention is to do a deep dive into the different types of forensics and crime solving and how it helps crime solving. Forensics is a critical component of criminal investigations. Forensic science combines various disciplines to uncover the truth behind crimes, which helps law enforcement bring offenders to justice. In this video, we'll explore different types of forensic evidence, how they work, and their importance in true crime and law enforcement. Forensic biology. This field focuses on the analysis of biological materials such as blood, saliva, hair, and other bodily fluids. Forensic biologists play a crucial role in criminal investigations by collecting and analyzing biological samples from crime scenes. This evidence can provide insights into what happened during a crime, including information about the victim and potential suspects. Blood splatter Blood spatter analysis, for example, can reveal the nature of the attack and the position of individuals during the incident. Overall, forensic biology helps establish connections between the evidence and the individuals involved, making it vital in solving crimes. Next is DNA analysis. This type of forensic evidence has revolutionized forensic science as a field. It's unique to each individual, making it an invaluable tool for identifying suspects and victims. Forensic DNA analysis involves collecting samples such as skin cells, blood, or hair, and comparing them to known profiles in databases. This process can help individuals. This process can help establish a definitive link between a suspect and a crime scene. The precision of DNA evidence can not only convict offenders, but also exonerate the innocent, highlighting its crucial role in the justice system. As technology advances, DNA analysis continues to evolve, allowing investigators to obtain results from even the smallest biological traces. Third, we have forensic chemistry. This discipline examines chemical substances, including drugs, explosives, toxins. Forensic chemists analyze samples collected from crime scenes to identify substances that may have been used in a crime. The relevance of forensic chemistry in law enforcement cannot be overstated. It helps determine the presence of illegal drugs, providing crucial evidence in drug-related crimes. Additionally, analyzing explosive residues can help identify the materials used in bombings, aiding investigators in tracing back to potential suspects. Forensic chemists play a key role in creating a comprehensive understanding of the chemical elements at play in various criminal activities. Fourth, we have forensic toxicology, which focuses on detecting and analyzing drugs, poisons, and other substances within biological specimens, such as blood and urine. This field is essential in cases involving overdoses, homicides, or unexplained deaths. Forensic toxicologists can determine whether substances contributed to a person's death or influenced their behavior during a crime. By identifying toxic substances and understanding their effects on the human body, toxicologists provide critical information that helps law enforcement piece together events surrounding a crime. Their findings can also be instrumental in court, as they often testify about the implications of toxic substances in specific cases. Fifth, we have forensic anthropology, which involves the analysis of human skeletal remains. Forensic anthropologists specialize in identifying bones and determining characteristics such as age, sex, ancestry, and trauma. This field is particularly important in cases where bodies are decomposed, burned, or otherwise unrecognizable. Forensic anthropologists assist law enforcement by providing vital information that can help identify unknown victims or uncover evidence of foul play. Their expertise can also aid in mass disaster situations, helping authorities manage recovery efforts and identify victims to bring closure to families. Next is forensic odontology, which examines dental records and bite marks. This area of forensic science is particularly useful in identifying victims when other means are not available. Dentists trained in forensic odontology can analyze dental records to match them with remains. Bite mark analysis can also provide information about the attack, helping to identify suspects. The precision of dental evidence makes it a valuable asset in criminal investigations, especially in cases involving missing persons or violent crimes. Seventh, we have forensic entomology, which involves studying insect life cycles to estimate the time of death. This field is based on the premise that insects are attracted to decomposing bodies and their life stages can provide crucial information about when a person died. Entomologists analyze the types of insects present and their development stages to help establish a timeline for death. This information can be critical in homicide cases, offering valuable insights into the circumstances surrounding a crime. By understanding the ecological factors at play, forensic entomologists contribute essential knowledge to ongoing investigations. Eighth, we have digital forensics. As technology continues to evolve, digital forensics has become an integral part of criminal investigations. This field involves recovering and analyzing data from electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets. Digital forensics experts can extract information that may not be readily accessible, such as deleted files, messages, or browsing history. This data can provide insights into a suspect's activities and intentions, making it a powerful tool for law enforcement. In today's digital age, where so much information is stored online, digital forensics has become increasingly crucial in solving crimes and understanding criminal behavior. Ninth, we have crime scene investigation, or CSI. This multidisciplinary approach involves gathering and analyzing various types of evidence at the crime scene, including physical evidence, biological samples, and trace evidence. Crime scene investigators work meticulously to preserve the integrity of the scene and collect evidence that can lead to solving the crime. They document everything through photographs, sketches, and notes, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. The thoroughness of CSI plays a pivotal role in criminal investigations, as the evidence collected can directly impact the outcome of a case in court. Tenth, we have forensic psychology. This examines the psychological aspects of criminal behavior. Forensic psychologists assess suspects and offenders to understand what their mental state is, what their motivations are, and ultimately what their behaviors are. Their expertise is crucial in creating psychological profiles that can aid law enforcement in investigations. By understanding the mental processes of individuals involved in crimes, forensic psychologists contribute to the development of strategies for apprehending suspects and preventing future crimes. Their insights can also be essential in court, providing evaluations that help juries understand the motivations behind criminal actions. Forensic evidence is a cornerstone of the criminal justice system, providing invaluable insights that help solve crimes and deliver justice. Each type of forensic science, from biology to digital analysis, plays a unique role in the investigation process. As technology advances, the field of forensics will continue to evolve, offering new tools and methods for law enforcement. So, we're going to venture a little bit into lesser known forensics, lesser known forensic tools that are used by law enforcement and investigators. While many people are familiar with techniques like DNA analysis and fingerprinting, there are numerous other forensic methods that play crucial roles in solving crimes. We're going to explore techniques and how they contribute to law enforcement and true crime investigations. First, we have forensic palynology, palynology, which is the study of pollen and spores. This method can help investigators determine the geographical location of a crime. Pollen grains are unique to specific plants and can vary by region and season. Forensic palynologists analyze pollen samples collected from clothing, hair, or the crime scene to establish connections between a suspect and a location. This technique can be invaluable in cases involving missing persons or environmental crimes, as it helps build a timeline and geographical link that other evidence might not provide. Next up is forensic entomology, which we looked into already, actually. Forensic geology. This examines soil and mineral evidence. This field can link suspects to a crime scene based on the unique composition of soil found at different locations. Forensic geologists analyze soil samples collected from a suspect's shoes, vehicle, or clothing to see if they match the soil of a crime scene. This method has been particularly useful in cases involving abductions or homicides, where it can help establish a suspect's presence at a crime scene, providing valuable context in investigations. Then we get to forensic linguistics, which is the process of analyzing language and communication. This method can be used to determine the authorship of a document or the meaning behind specific communications, such as ransom notes or threatening letters. Linguists study word choice, sentence structure, and linguistic patterns to identify similarities between known samples and questioned documents. This technique has played a pivotal role in several criminal cases, helping law enforcement understand the motivations behind threats or decipher the language of potential suspects. Then we get into forensic photography. While photography may seem straightforward, forensic photography is a specialized field that focuses on accurately documenting crime scenes and evidence. Forensic photographers use specific techniques to ensure that images capture the details of a crime without distortion. These images serve as critical evidence in court, helping juries visualize the crime scene as it was found. This method has become increasingly important with the rise of digital evidence, where visual documentation can provide context and clarity in complex cases. I hope you guys enjoyed us diving into the world of forensics a little bit. And stay tuned for part two.